everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's vlog is super exciting because this is something we've been really looking forward to, especially for our travel vlogs. Meet our brand new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let's see what's inside the box. We went for the standard combo, which includes the camera, one battery and few basic accessories. Perfect for getting started.
Time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the...
So you get the camera, one battery, a Type-C to Type-C cable, protective frame, locking screw, glass lens cover and a rubber lens protector, curved adhesive base, quick release adapter, anti-slip pad, and I really want to let you know that this Action board is not compatible with any other Type-C cables other than its own.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight.
So you will get this manual which you can follow the steps and you can get started quickly.
Feeling okay, I think I'm going crazy.
And you can link the Action buoy to the Osmo app as well.
To the face, I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots.
Let's try the protective frame.
Taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
It snaps around the camera really easily and gives you that extra bit of grip and safety, especially if you are mounting it on a helmet, selfie stick or a bike handle.
We're all adequate graduates, heart full of callous.
What's best is it doesn't block the buttons or screens and it still lets you access the USB-C port for charging. You could use the camera without the frame, but we prefer keeping it on just for that added protection, especially when we are out filming for hours.
I'ma do what I want to.
Since we bought the standard combo, which cost us 1,360 dirhams, which is around $370, the Action combo comes with 3 batteries, with a battery case and 1.5 extension rod and 2 adapter mounts, which cost you around 1,800 dirhams, around $500. Since we didn't need that whole set, we decided to build a setup our way. Instead, we added this Amazon selfie stick with tripod for just 99 dirhams and 2 pair of rubber lens covers. Honestly, the stick being perfect for vlogging and stable table shots or even time lapses. Plus, it blends beautifully with our Action 5 setup. So, we saved nearly 300 AED and we got exactly what we needed. Here is the Nalakal selfie stick with tripod we grabbed on Amazon. It extends a whopping 52.5 inches, giving us amazing range for vlogging or scenic shots. It's made from lightweight andesite aluminium. The nylon fiber joints looks very durable. We really like the finishing on this. It's matte finish aluminium, so it feels sturdy without being bulky. It looks sleek and holds up well when we are on the move. If you'd like to give it a try, the Amazon link in the description below. It's really worth the price. This is how we set it up. Just slide the camera mount into the place and tighten the screw until it feels secure. You can adjust the angle you want before fully locking it in.
Can't hold it in this time, got no filter, I got no filter, 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 no filter.
To open the tripod, unlock this part here. Pull the legs out, and once it's open, lock it again to keep it stable while filming.
Starts feeling like a waiter, scraping my mind against a cheese grater. Before you go through, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright.
It extends really well and perfect for scenic shots.
You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting that.
Wanna see some night view shots? As the first impression, the night view shots are perfect, which makes vlogging way easier. And the screen's front and back are touchscreen, so we'll give this boy a 5-star. And that wraps up our unboxing and first look at the DJI Osmo Action 5. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more vlogs like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!